Hot oatmeal. You're keeping an eye on me, aren't you? Keeping an eye on me. What is he doing with that thing? Why are you pointing at me? It's okay. Go eat. What, you're gonna peck right there in the ground instead of going eating the oatmeal? Go eat the oatmeal. It was hilarious. I had a video of my rooster, Mr. Rose, over there eating the. Oh, I didn't have a video of it. I came out and did it one day. And he's eating oatmeal. He had oatmeal all over his face, and the rest of the hens are eating it off of his face. And he kept going down and getting a bunch more on his face, and the hens were eating it off of his face. I've been trying to recreate that. Recreating it has proved to be a problem. So chickens aren't very good at directions. It's the biggest problem I found. I don't think chickens will make good actors. I suppose that's what makes reality TV so hard to do. You have to get it enough footage, I suppose, until you get what you need to get. Mr. Rose, what are you doing over there? Eat the hot oatmeal before it freezes. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hello. Good morning to you. Oh, oatmeal. Chum, 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 chum. Go eat the oatmeal. Quit it. What are you thanking me? You're welcome. Gotta clean your water. You got some new water today, huh? Okay. Sounds fun. There goes Mr. Rose. Eat some oatmeal. Get it all over yourself. Eat big glops of it. He's like, that is pretty tasty stuff. Pretty tasty stuff, isn't it? Eat it. Eat it. I know, it's non-organic. Is that what your problem is? Everything else you eat is organic. Eat it. It's non-organic, so I probably won't eat you for a while if you eat it. Because I want you to be all organic before I eat you. I don't think I'm going to eat this rooster for a while. He's cool. We'll get a different rooster and eat him. He's a little feisty. He likes to fight me a little bit, but I try to be really nice to him to keep this aggression down. But definitely don't grab one of the hens. He'll come and bite you. Oh, he's eating it now. There you go. Eat for the camera. Get it all over yourself so they eat it up. Okay, I'm cold. You guys aren't doing anything amazing. I wish you were. Do some amazing stuff. Bye.